From old traditions to modern science, the quest to know if it's a boy or a girl before birth has captivated expectant parents for ages. Throughout history, various cultures have developed unique methods to predict a baby's gender. Some swear by the ring test, suspending a ring on a string over the belly, where its movement supposedly indicates the baby's gender. Others turn to the Mayan gender prediction chart, using the mother's age at conception and the year of conception to forecast the baby's sex. But let's not forget the old wives' tales. Tales like the craving myth, saying that if a mom-to-be craves sweets, it's a girl, and if it's salty or sour, it's a boy. Or the notorious carrying high or low belief, suggesting that carrying high means a girl and low means a boy. Yet, in our modern age, science has gifted us with more accurate methods. Ultrasounds, performed around 18 to 20 weeks, provide a clear glimpse into the baby's world and often reveal their gender. Additionally, non-invasive prenatal testing (NIPT) offers early gender detection through a simple blood test. However, as much as predicting the baby's gender is a source of excitement, it's essential to remember that gender is a spectrum and may not always align with biological sex. Embracing a child's identity, regardless of gender, is a beautiful part of parenthood. Some families eagerly await the surprise at birth, relishing the moment they hear, "It's a boy," or "It's a girl." Others revel in the excitement of early discovery, decorating nurseries and planning names accordingly. So whether it's the thrill of ancient methods or the precision of modern science, the anticipation and joy surrounding the imminent arrival of a new family member remain an integral part of the pregnancy journey.